In this video, we're going to be talking about the difference between the old style and new style drill heads, as well as the difference between a lightweight and heavyweight chain. Now, this over here is the old style drill head. And as you can see, it's an aggressive bugger, but it has one drawback, and that is that as it passes through a 90-degree bend, it has the potential possibility of biting into the pipe wall. And for this reason, we have refined the design so that it looks like this. Now, it still has the hard metal bits on the front, but when it passes around a 90-degree bend, it's going to transition much better than it would with the old style. The hard metal bits have also changed slightly, but they're still as tough as nails. Speaking of nails, you wouldn't drive a nail in with a sledgehammer, and for this reason we've got lightweight and heavyweight chains. The heavyweight is 4.5 and the lightweight is 3.5, which makes it considerably lighter to work with. The advantage to a lightweight chain like this is that you don't need as much power and as much torque on your drill as you would with the heavy-duty model. So it's just another option to give our customers who prefer a lighter weight chain. We have the same with our drill heads. This over here is a drill head for a 10mm and 12mm, which is 1/2 inch and 3/8, and a 6 and 8mm, which is the 1/4 inch and 5/16. So if you have any questions or you're not so sure about what to choose, get in touch with us. We're at plumber-tools.com. If you're in the European Union, we're at Zewer-tools.com. And if you're in the United Kingdoms, we're at plumber-tools.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Take care. Ciao.